In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Google Slides pie chart using Google Sheets. This process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to make impactful visual changes to your presentations. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation where your pie chart is located. Once you've opened your slide, navigate to where your chart is displayed. Click on the chart to select it. This action will highlight the chart and activate the tools you need to continue. Next, look for the option labeled Open Source that appears somewhere near the chart area. By clicking on this option, you'll open the original data source of your chart stored in Google Sheets. This is essential as it allows you to directly modify and customize your chart data. Switching over to Google Sheets, you will see the spreadsheet linked to your chart. Here, click on the chart within the sheet. This step enables the editing options necessary to tailor your pie chart according to your specific needs. Following this, you'll want to click on Edit Chart, which should open a more detailed view of your chart settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll have the flexibility to adjust and improve various aspects of your pie chart. Now click the Customize tab. This tab presents several options to fine-tune the appearance of each pie slice. Within the Customize menu, select Pie Slice, which focuses specifically on adjusting individual parts of your pie chart. It's time to make these individual changes. Click on Slice 1 to begin editing its properties. You can now input a distance from the center. Let's enter 5% for the first slice. This distance setting subtly emphasizes the slice by slightly moving it outwards compared to the rest of the chart. Repeat this process by clicking on Slice 2, adjusting the distance from the center to 10%. Moving a slice further emphasizes its importance or distinct properties within your chart's data. Then continue on to Slice 3 and set its distance even further at 15% from the center. The increased separation draws more attention to this slice, highlighting any key insights the data represents. After making adjustments, ensure you hit the Enter key to apply all your edits correctly. This step is crucial to ensure that all your efforts reflect accurately in your pie chart. Upon completing all the edits in Google Sheets, return to your Google Slides presentation. When back in Google Slides, you should see an Update button near the chart. Click this button to synchronize and apply all the changes you've made. Your pie chart on the slide will refresh, displaying the newly adjusted slices as per your customization in Google Sheets. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Google Slides pie chart, giving you a more personalized and visually impactful presentation for your viewers. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.